Hi guys, PJ here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the factory fitted radio on a 2009 Kia Sorento. The very first thing you're going to do with this particular model of car is come down to these lower side panels here, and you normally put a plastic leverage tool behind them and just pop them off. They are quite sturdy, they're on metal clips. There we go. And the way to do it, like I say, is some form of plastic leverage tool, and basically you just go in at the edge and pop all the way down until they fall off. Don't use a screwdriver, you will definitely damage the plastic, so use a plastic tool. These are Vibe ones, and you can also get them by a company called Bojo. They're available off Amazon, eBay. They're about £1 a pack, well worthwhile. So remove both, so one from this side and then the one from this side. When you've got your trim panels off, it exposes a load of crosshead Phillips screws. Basically, we're going to remove all those on each side. Once removed, you can pull your centre heater panel forward. The only reason I removed the lower ones is just to give a little bit of wiggle room if you need to just move it down slightly. Sometimes they overlap, get a bit stuck. But you can pull this forward. You're then left with two clips, squeezy tab clips. So basically, you squeeze those, pull the cables off. If you don't want it dangling down here like this, I normally move it out of the way for safety. Then you'll notice the top part is loose and it is on, more spring clips. Normally these pop off like so, just got to be a bit careful with them. There we go. Again, it's on 3 connectors, squeezy tabs on each, so you squeeze them, pull them out. And that exposes mounting screws that hold the radio in. Now you'll notice that this particular radio is missing a mounting screw. It should have one there. It's got one here, same on the other side. One, oh, it's missing two. It's missing 2 screws. Undo those 4 screws, withdraw the radio forward, and then you're free to squeeze the tab, pull the connection out, and pull the aerial out. A good tip to get the screws is to do what I'm doing here. Once you've removed them, get some long nose pliers on them to get them out with, because otherwise you can drop them down into the abyss of the dashboard and struggle to get them back again, which is probably why this particular car has got 2 missing already. You know, they are quite a big screw, but you do lose them down the back. Like I say, once you've removed all those, you're then free to carefully watch your air vents. You probably have to just lever it to one side just to get it past them. Or if it's tight like this one, remove the bottom screw that holds the air vent panel and pull. There we go, it's on spring clips, look, see, just pops in, put that out of the way. That gives you a bit more wiggle room to get the radio out. There we go. And there is your connectors on the back. Like I say, squeeze the tab, pull out, and the aerial just simply pull out. And that is how you remove the radio on a Kia Sorento 2009 build model. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. I do my best to answer you as quickly as I can. Just bear with me, I do get inundated with questions every single day about all different sorts of vehicles, so just bear that one in mind. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.